Welcome viewers, you are watching paper craft now. You are watching flower paper, beautiful flower, white and green. You are watching the beautiful paper craft, a frog shape. You are watching two earrings, butterfly shaped, black and pink shade. You are watching pencil toppers, flower and cartoon face, beautiful colors. You are watching um, a beautiful paper craft. You are watching the snails craft using with paper. You are watching greenery, grass and flowers and ladybug. You are watching a Christmas tree and candles make with the papers. You are watching the Christmas tree make with paper craft. You are watching some flowers with blue, yellow and white flowers make with paper. You are watching the rainbow and flowers white color with paper craft use. You are watching the blue color flower. You are watching the leaves and mushroom. You are watching the red color paper craft design. You are watching the umbrellas full of flower with use with papers. You are watching ice cream hut make with paper craft. You are watching two flowers make with paper. You are watching the desert, yellow, pink and purple color. Mm, you are watching the window curtain use beautiful colors. You are watching the flowers. You are watching the hut, beautiful Shangri-La shape hut. You are watching the tree and four ovals using with the paper. You are watching a flower classical design. You are watching the polka sticks and flowers used with papers. You are watching a fairy, three fairies used with papers. You are watching two dollies shape used with paper craft. You are watching tissue paper craft, five color different beautiful colorful flowers. You are watching two hut beautiful color and you are watching an organizer room wall hanging beautiful. You are watching an handbag made with the paper. You are watching sunflower beautiful design wall hanging. You are watching a cat shape using with the papers beautiful design color. You are watching two butterfly shaped using with the